This Crucial MX500 M.2 SATA SSD has been mailed in for data recovery from North Queensland. Full model number is CT500MX500 SSD4. When we connect it to our test equipment, we just get a parasitic current drain caused by the 1.8 volt memory bus line. We'll test this little chip here. Now I know that this one up the corner here should be the ground pin. That's a ground there. Let's test underneath it here. That's ground. That should not be ground. That's okay. That's okay. So this pin here that feeds all this is shorted to ground. When we take it out of circuit, we're just causing a domino effect of all the weak points and capacitors now. That's this capacitor here, which isn't shorted to ground but does have a resistance level. I was going to show you me taking this out of circuit, but with me just grabbing it with the tweezers, it is practically broken off. Yes, this capacitor is shorted out. This circuit has been a giant headache to solve. We should be getting 1.8 volts here. This pin down here is ground. Up here is 3.3 volts, and we need to get a 1.8 volt output. No matter what I do to solve it, it just gets pulled to ground. I've even tried stealing 1.8 volts from this chip over here. The customer must get their data back, and this voltage line helps power the memory chips. So I've had to use my own electronics to solve it. We're stealing 3.3 volts from the main power line from this capacitor here, and then we're going to feed in our 1.8 volts here. While we're here, the main controller chip is a Silicon Motion SM2258H AB. Let's turn it on and test our Frankenstein repair. The SSD is now working with a full correct ID. There's some minor issues reported, but the good news is we do have all the data back for this customer at over 100 megabytes a second. If you need data recovery from a solid state drive SSD that is not working, you can drop off in Australia or mail in from anywhere in the world. Visit zeroalpha.com.au and we will get your data back at the lowest price.